Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Morning, we are discussing about MTM communication, machine-to-machine communication, using IoT, and how exactly MTM is the first IoT. Generally, when we go to industrial applications, any industries nowadays all are machine oriented. Right from the mega factories, if you observe the mega factories, National Geographic Channel or Discovery Channel, there is 1 hour episode will be there every Wednesday between 9 to 10. So watch those things. You will be knowing how exactly industries are working with respect to automated industries. It's totally automated. Even Honeywell has taken one very big project, national project. They are taken one the project they have to develop for the women's safety in the public places. Okay, it's yesterday's paper only. No issues. You can go to Honeywell's projects to get it. So, like, machine has to take care of everything. Better factories, even a small screw manufacturing. Pen is there, no? Okay, pen where you want to push, pull, you want to do a spring with it. Okay, small spring. Previously, it was developed manually based on the pen, means manual intervention was there. Machine used to prepare the spring, but manually they have to pack it. Now, everything is packed, everything right from giving the raw materials to the packing, it's going to be taken care by the automated industries. Similarly, the vehicle manufacturing industry, everything is automated, right from spooling and everything. Now, what is our requirement is how exactly end-to-end communication takes place, machine-to-machine communication. If you observe, basically that vehicle manufacturing, four-wheeler manufacturing, all robots only they take care of it. Okay, you think all of spare parts, spooling, molding, washing, okay, painting, everything will be taken into the machine system. So here, that is machine to machine. But how exactly IoT is the enhancement of the machine to machine issue. So first we will go for the machine to machine, then we will go for the IoT. Then we will go for IoT applications. So today's agenda is what is MTM, what is IoT, and how IoT differs from MTM, and what are the applications of IoT will go for it. Machine to machine, as I discussed in the morning session only, process of communication of the physical object or device. Physical communication of the physical object as a device and machine with others of the same type or it may be different, mostly for monitoring and but also for controlling purpose. We want to monitor them, we want to control them also. Each machine in the MTM system embeds a smart device. Smart device. Okay, the device senses the data or status of the machine and performs the computation and communication functions. So you can write the statement on your own way. It's not that one model is given the textbook, you can write it over there. It's I just copy and paste it. Okay, so you can see that the what is the machine-to-machine communication. It is going to control, it's going to monitor, it's going to get the inputs, and it's going to get the inputs and it's going to perform the operations. All these things come into it. Okay, so the device senses means it has to get some information. Some information will be sensed, and that senses the data, whatever data has been given, or status of the machine and perform the computation. It senses the data, gets the data, and status of the machine is going to check it out. Based on that, it's going to perform. Assume that I want to assign the wheel, okay, to the vehicle. Generally, what happens, manually as it will do, they don't screw all the screws at a time. They don't fix the screws, all the screws at a time. They don't fix the one full screw at a time itself. Initially, they'll rotate for 3 to 4 times. They'll leave it as it is. Then they'll go for the second one opposite screw. Just recall your vehicle got punctured and you remove the wheel from that one and you have to reassemble it. How exactly you will do? You will not remove the screw at one screw at a time itself. All are equally balancingly they are going to do that. Here also the machine has to take care of that one. How I can balance it? Whether the screw has been rotated tightly or fixed properly or still it has to be fixed. how much it has to be rotated, how much impact it has to put. Everything is going to get the information based on the way it's going to work. Just one example I am giving you. Similarly, when it comes to a device communicates via wired or wireless media, I told you almost all of them nowadays basically either you will using PCP or you will using UDP. How about PCP and UDP? Yes or no? You know the difference between PCP and also UDP. PCP transmission control protocol, UDP user data protocol. User data protocol generally we don't have the acknowledgement. Simply we don't have the acknowledgement. A connection less in call the PCP is a connection oriented. If you go for PCP, it's a connection oriented. That means whether the destination has received the data or not, you get the acknowledgement. Whether the destination has received the data or not, you get the acknowledgement. That is in respect to TCP. But when it comes to UDP, user data protocol, it is connection less. It is connection less. UDP is connection less. TCP is connection oriented. Okay. TCP will get the acknowledgement. UDP will not get the acknowledgement. And don't have a confusion with TCP is wired, UDP is wireless. No. In TCP also will be wired and wireless. In UDP also will be wired and wireless. Some of the devices wired connection, totally they are connected. Some of the devices wireless connection also only. But wired connection, longer distance you can cover. Wireless connection, the distance is very less compared to that. Okay. So we will be having a wired communication, we will be having a wireless communication. The communication protocol, different types of protocols we can use depending on the application. Okay, that is machine to machine communication. But when it comes to IoT, with respect to machine, it comes to IoT. IoT technology in industry. See, here is clearly explaining with respect to the industries, not with respect to the global scenario. Only with respect to the industries is explaining. IoT technology in industry involves the integration of the complex physical machine, communication with the networks, sensors, and user analytics and machine learning. See, if you know these things, data analytics and machine learning is an added advantage for electronics. Always, electronics and communication engineers will be having a upper hand compared to all other students. Okay, because computer science students, they will be working only in the computer science background industries. But electronics people are applicable everywhere. Everywhere you can go for. Either you can go to software industries also. How you should know some of the basics of the machine learning, some of the basics of the computer programming languages. Okay, fundamentals. It's an added advantage. Always you will be having upper hand compared to others. So feel proud for that one and feel that you will be working. Don't think I know only DSP does enough. I know only microcontroller does enough. Keep adding yourself. Everything is on hand you are going to get. You want to learn machine learning, through your mobile only you can learn that one. You want to learn Python, through your mobile you can learn that one. Okay, tutorials are there. I think these schools, you know about these schools? I'm uploading tutorials, something is there, I'm not having IIT. Okay, there also, everything is available online. RT maximum daily half an hour you will spend within a month you are able to learn. Okay, so you should know machine to machine networking, network elements. You should know which sensors you are using. In addition to that one, you should also know what data you are sensing, what type of data you are acquiring, you are observing. So if you want to know that one, you should know data analytics. Okay, we may be getting temperature, we may be getting moisture, we may be getting something else. So we should know how these data are getting dumped, where exactly they are dumped, and how to extract those data. Generally, most of the time, the data is stored in Excel, Microsoft Excel. If you know Microsoft Excel, job guaranteed. That's all. No Microsoft, because Microsoft Excel itself is a vast. It's not simply typing the numbers and calculating apps or that. No, not that much. All the data, whatever we are dealing nowadays, like I am purchasing a mobile, I am purchasing a SIM. Yeah, I'm going for a new SIM. So we are going to give all your information, right from your date, date of birth, okay, name, date of birth, address, PAN number, Aadhaar number, everything you are going to give. No, without Aadhaar number, you are not going to give. Yes or no? Legally, if you want to go, legally you want to get that one, Aadhaar card should be linked. So all your data will be dumped in Excel sheet only. Excel sheet, everything is Excel. So there they can extract the data, they can filter the data, they can find out what exactly they can do. So you should know the sensor. Sensor is sensing the information, it is dumping. It's going to dump. Where it's going to be dumped? It's going to be dumped in a database. So you should know how the data is going to be extracted. Data can be extracted, how the data can be dumped, how to analyze that. That is analytics you should know. How to analyze that? Using machine learning algorithm, you can go for it. So many algorithms are there: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and I'm not giving all the names itself. Regression. Okay, different techniques are there. Those techniques you can use and you can extract the data. That is with respect to the first point. Second point, MTM technology closely related to IoT. How the MTM is working, it's almost similar to the IoT. But the major difference is MTM there is no internet, IoT you are going to use the internet. That is what is being given. See here, IoT when the smart devices or machines collect data which is transmitted via the internet. When in IoT, there is a machine-to-machine communication is going to happen, but through Internet of Things is going to happen. Through IoT only is going to happen, or through Internet is going to happen. A best example is your Alexa. Alexa is only a sensor. Audio sensor will be there. What are the audio you are going to hear? What are the voice you speak? So you observe that the sensor senses it. It's a machine. That machine will communicate to other machines. Through what? Through internet it's going to connect. Correct. So without internet, IoT will not work. The close difference between MTM and IoT is that MTM must deploy device to device and carry out the coordination, monitoring, controlling of the device and communication without the use of the internet. Whereas IoT deploys using the internet, it's going to perform it. That is the difference. If there is a question, or if there is a what are the differences between MTM application and also IoT? These two we can go for. These two statements we can write it. How exactly MTM has changed to IoT, or how exactly it is leading to IoT? Lot of applications are available. MTM has many applications in the field such as industrial automation. Industrial, everything is automated. Anyone from KMF? Any of your parents working in KMF? What about KMF? KMF, Karnataka Milk Federation. Okay, dairy, milk dairy. There, right from the raw material, they'll pour all the milks what they have collected from each and every farmers. They'll pour into a very big cylinder. It's a cylinder where they're going to boil it out. And there are a lot of unnecessary things need to be removed, filtered out. Okay. And there may be a raw smell will be there. The smell has to be removed. They should remove it. And some of them, you might have heard about pasteurized milk. Okay. Samruddhi milk. Okay. Fatless. Collecting is same type, but they're going to segregate it. Manually, they're not doing all these things. Everything is industry is totally connected. All the machines are connected. One after the other is going to be distributed to different places, and there is going to be one will be packed with blue color, one will be packed with green color, one will be packed with orange color, and you are going to deliver that one to customer. So, industrial automation, your KMF is totally automated. Manual intervention is very less. Okay, everything is given the time interval, time critical. With the time interval, with the time critical, it's going to work. That is industrial automation. Second one is logistics. Your courier or whatever the big billion day you have ordered, how exactly they are connected. You are able to track your delivery, your orders. You are able to track your orders. How it is? Basically, your IoT. Okay, there's one sticker they are going to paste it for each and every product. Your barcode, they are able to track the barcode where exactly the barcode is available. So that is your IoT application. Similarly, smart grid. smart grids are available where it's going to be used, and smart cities. Smart grid is basically for electrical power supply. Electric power supply, how exactly? Power generation, power transmission, power distribution, all those things will be done by your smart grid itself. Smart cities, no need to tell. Kindly listen here. Healthcare and defense. Defense is one of the major applications with respect to your IoT. Okay, because in a remote place, the soldier he has got affected with some injuries. You need to send the data where you will not have any communication devices. Through your IoT and sensors, you will be able to send the data and receive the data. Instantly. Even after 15 days, Siachen, you might have heard about Siachen, a person who got stuck in Siachen for 40 days. Then after 40 days, they were able to find him and they were able to recover him from that particular places. Okay, that is minus 40 degrees centigrade. He was there for 40 days without having food or anything. So the sophisticated electronic devices what we are having, almost all defense products are developed by Bharat Electronics Limited. In India, what are all the defense products we are having? Many of them are imported, I accept it, but Indian products, what we are having in Bharat Electronics Limited, we are able to find them itself. All even night glasses and all they are manufacturing, night vision glasses. Okay, so recently, some 3-4 years back, we had been to BEL for industrial visit, where they could able to display us. If you are able to find an industrial visit to BEL, you can go there. Or if you are finding any seniors or any of your friends or relatives who are working over there, you can request them for the industrial visit. Physically, you can go and you can find it out how exactly it's working over there. Okay, so lot of applications are available with respect to your IoT. Next, initial applications of M2M were found in automation and instrumentation only, but now it is everywhere. Okay, that is with respect to M2 IoT. It is changing over. Everywhere IoT comes into picture. M2M architecture. How exactly architecture looks into? I'm not talking about IoT architecture, I'm talking about M2M architecture. I already discussed about the IoT architecture in different industries. Cisco, IBM, and also Oracle. Okay, now M2M architecture how it looks. Basically, it's going to have the 3 domains. M2M domain, that is architecture, will be having 3 domains. One is M2M device domain, one is network domain, third is application domain. Devices always at the bottom. End devices we call it. End devices always at the bottom layer. Whatever the devices you are going to use, and not only in IoT, not only in M2M, every communication type, every application, every operations, all your end device are at the bottom. Okay. Mobile, it's a device. It's a physical, all physical components, almost all the physical components what we are going to have, they are at the device layer. And see, assume simple example. Listen here. I have a mobile. In that mobile, I have installed one of the application. I'm having a mobile, it's a hardware device. In that one, I have installed one of the application. Which is the application? Any name? Any name? WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is one of the application. I'm having a mobile, it's a physical device. In that one, I have installed WhatsApp. Download it. Okay. So this is WhatsApp what I'm having. This is mobile phone. An application is at the application layer, and I'm having a device mobile phone. If I want to operate this app, I should have a network. Will you accept it? Internet should be there. Communication, okay? There should be an internet facility. Until and then I don't have the internet facility, even though I'm having a device, even though I'm having an app in my device, I cannot operate them. So I should have a networking tool. Without networking tool, without networking application, you cannot go for. You have a TV, a smart TV running over there. Okay, and YouTube also is there. Until and then you have the internet facility, you cannot pass the YouTube or Netflix or whatever you have. Okay, so you know that 2 or what? 150. Okay. Listen. This diversion will be always high level, especially during afternoon sessions. Yeah. So better you interact with me. Sir, not this month, sir, we'll go with something else. Some other application. That's why I asked which application. She's told WhatsApp. Everyone knows about WhatsApp. One unique application you can tell. So this application I want to operate. Without internet can you operate? Check it out. Without internet, no. Internet it's not possible. Because technology, the 5G technology should be there. Mobile games should be open. But is that only your person can do that? You want to communicate to somebody else. You call it an online game. Online game should have internet. So, downloaded application is okay. You want to communicate with somebody else, you should pay networking. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? Yes or no? Get it? Okay. See, in my teaching, always it goes out and come back, goes out and come back. Okay, generally it will be like that. Always I keep on thinking about relating with what's happening in the current scenario. Okay, so I told you Honeywell as yesterday's paper only it has come over there. So like this, since we are learning the technology which is come out 5 years back and it's already updated, a lot of new information we are able to get on newspapers and news channels. Okay, everything you should relate to that. They don't think it will be easy for you. Okay, come back. We have device domain, MTM device domain, we have MTM network domain, we have MTM application domain. This is a clear picture of that. Okay, so let us see one by one. Device communication domain consists of 3 entities. Am I not louder? Am I not louder? Okay, I think. But your noise is more compared to my voice. Noise itself is more. Every device which is at the end of the system, bottom end of the system, okay, they need to communicate. Okay, the devices are there, physical devices. In your mobile itself, different types of sensors are available. In your mobile only, can you just guess what are the different sensors are there? Air sensor. Yeah. Camera is one sensor. Touch screen, you touch it, it's going to feel the touch. Yeah. It's moving over there. I blink. So you say, iris sensor is going to be. So different types of end devices, most of them are sensors. They don't sense different type of data. There are other physical devices. Okay. So physical devices, communication interface and gateway. There should be a gateway. I want to send the WhatsApp message. Good morning, good afternoon, something I want to send. This is my physical device, that's why I want to set the key. But as soon as we send button, press the send button, there should be a gateway which is taking it outside the mobile. So without the gateway, it's not possible. You may be pressing n number of keys on the keypad, but without the gateway, you are not in a position to send it out. There should be one particular mode which acts as a gateway to the entire network. Okay. So now I am connected to one of the mobile services. Take an example of Airtel. Airtel is giving a service to me. Airtel has installed some towers, and there will be one particular gateway they have mentioned over there. Whatever I am sending, you go to the gateway, and gateway will take that to outside world. See, my question: am I Airtel? Am I Airtel connection in my mobile? And one of your friend is on Jio or Vodafone or some other. This is my mobile and this is my friend mobile. Airtel technology is different, Jio technology is different. Both they are using GSM, 4G, 5G, something else they are using over. Okay? I cannot directly transmit this to my end user. I am the end user and he is the other end user. Both the end users cannot transmit directly. Whatever the information is transmitting, whether it is text, image, audio, video, whatever it is, it should be passed through the gateway which is there in the Airtel. Airtel will be having one gateway and that will transmit that one to the Jio tower and the gateway will receive it. Then that will be sent to a particular device which is very close to them. So this is how the communication is going to happen. So we should have a device, we should have a communication interface, we should also have a gateway. Communication interface is a part of the or a subsystem which receives the input from one end and sends the data to the other end. It receives and sends. MTM network domain consists of the MTM server, device identity management, data analysis and data that has already been given in the previous slide. Runs application for services, monitoring, analysis and controlling of device network. So how it looks? Here theoretically I have explained it. How they appear. This is how it appears. I think from far end it's not possible to read the text which is available on the screen. Application domain, network domain, device domain. Three domains what I have written. At the bottom we have the device domain. In between network domain. At the top we are going to have the application domain. In device domain, we are going to have all the physical devices like sensors, edges, that is intelligent edge, nodes of different types, machines, everything at the device level. Here communication interfacing, wired communication, wireless communication, or gateway and all those will be there. Finally, we will be having the application on your WhatsApp, okay, or any other game, anything. Okay? What was the game you are going to have on internet-based games, they will be on the applications here. So it is generalized diagram. You can simplify on your own way. It's not that as it is you have to write. You should know what are the three layers. Device layer, that is device domain, network domain and application domain. In device domain, what all you are going to have? All the devices like your sensors, okay, machines and what is it? Intelligent edge nodes, something they are given over there, some specific name. You can mention. In interfacing, you can mention what are the different interfacing comes into picture. Application, as you said, you can mention WhatsApp. WhatsApp is an application. Okay. Next, that is M2M and different layers or domains of the MTM. Now move on to software and development tools. What are the different softwares for your M2M? What are different types of development tools? Examples of MTM software and development tools are as follows.